To set up alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open our clock app. You can click on the clock app, or if you have a widget with the clock, you can also open it. So now when we have it, we can move to the alarm section right here, then click on the plus button to start creating your alarm. You can choose a specific time. You can then adjust for which days it should ring, so we can enable all of them. Change the alarm name. Then there's the alarm sound that you can enable or disable. When it's enabled, you can switch to different sounds right here, even use apps like Spotify. Then there's the vibrations that you can also enable or disable and customize. Snooze, which will basically turn on the alarm after it rings, and it will use the 5 minutes 3 times mark. In my case, you can click on it to switch it. And then there's also alarm background that you can adjust. And finally, when we're ready, we can click on save and our alarm will be created. And that is basically everything.